Welcome, Therafin customers. We wanted to do a little special something to communicate with all of you during this COVID-19 pandemic, just to show you that we are figuring it out. We're all in the same boat, and we're working from our various locations. I'm in Homewood, Illinois right now at my house, and I'm routinely talking to the independent Therafin reps that we have all over the nation. We're looking at sales, and we're really trying to do new and exciting things to promote our products on YouTube, Facebook, and in other avenues. So thank you for being our customer.
Hello, I'm Marie Means. I'm in Human Resources, and I'm located in Manhattan, Illinois at my home office. And I'm staying busy ensuring the health and safety of our staff, as well as staying up to date with the rapidly evolving compliance. Stay safe, everyone.
Hey all, I'm Jeremy Fisher. I'm the Director of Operations here at Therafin. I'm the lone executive here at the plant. I'm the one they left here. Okay, I'm the one keeping the plant going and informed on the current situation with COVID-19 and making sure everybody stays safe in-house.
Hi, everybody. I'm Patty Mathis. I'm the Director of Finance, and I'm coming from my home office in Orland Park, Illinois. And I get the fun job of trying to go through the government stimulus package, keeping track of our expenses and looking at our cash flow. We're just doing everything we can to keep Therafin up and running for our employees, for our customers, and our vendors so that they can experience the same great level of service that they always have. Thanks.
Hi, everybody. My name is Pete Cianetti. I'm in charge of product development and product management at Therafin, and I'm working remotely from, if you haven't guessed it yet, Kansas City. World champions. Product development at Therafin continues, and in fact, we're working on an exciting new product right now that we placed on Kickstarter. It's called a Stand Spot, so a little bit outside of our typical product range, but it's an exciting product that helps people that currently might be working from home have a quick to assemble desk space. So if you have opportunity, check us out on Kickstarter. Just type in the search term Stand Spot. Thanks all. Appreciate it.
Hi everyone, I'm Nakia Craig, Director of Customer Relations. I get the honor of continuously speaking to each and every one of you every day, which me and my team look forward to. We're still available. You can email us and still call, but we're hoping that everyone's staying healthy and safe.
Hi, my name is Samantha. I work in customer relations. I'm out of South Chicago Heights in Illinois. Like Nakia said, we're still taking phone calls, doing quotes and orders and all of the normal stuff, just doing it from home. Stay healthy and safe.
Hi all, this is Cheney Jones, working from my living room, getting some nice light in the front window, working with the other ladies in the department to keep all the quotes and orders entered, all the customs going through the system, and just making sure that everything runs smooth. So still taking emails and phone calls, getting everything through the system for you.
Hi there, everybody. I'm Todd Fink, and I serve as the president. I've been spending a lot of my time trying to coordinate all our efforts to take care of the families, our employees, our customers, and really making sure that we're doing that with trust as our bedrock. I also have been doing some time working on development on a test device that we'll be using for some quality measurements. And I've got my little Arduino working here, and I just love doing the techie nerd stuff, so I'm having a blast. So in any case, we do value your partnership with Therafin. We're thankful for the way that we can serve you, and I hope and pray that you're staying safe and just continue to reach out. We really love to work with you, and we just wanted to have a little bit of time to show you what we're doing and how we're doing it. But thanks a lot. So long.